This is the elevator at the Logan Mall in Altoona, Pennsylvania.
How many do we got here?
Let's see. What
These
we got.
are epco, it looks like.
Yeah. Might be an epco. I didn't know what that picture was.
Taking a while.
It does take a while.
I think the machine room's in there.
This must be machine room. Yeah.
What is it, a Schindler thing? Look, see?
Yeah.
But it's faded off, unfortunately.
The little Schindler sign's messed up here.
Oh.
It's a Haughton on there. Ooh, there's a Haughton.
Must have been a Haughton before.
It's original Haughton here. Oh.
It reopened.
So it looks originally from Haughton.
Alright, listen. Oh, this is gonna have a good motor.
Get those buttons here. I like the button. These are nice. I'm guessing they're epco, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're epco.
And the main level.
Well, I never knew this was originally a Haughton here.
We didn't know anything of these elevators. We've never been here before. Alright, now, don't talk over the motor. Listen, it's gonna be good. Oh, like a motor. It's a motor. Okay.